Hi, and welcome to Monthly Masterpiece. Today, we will be painting the first installment of the Mouthwatering Masterpieces theme. So, let's get started. I have my design pre-sketched out onto a sheet of canvas paper. I'm going to begin by painting in the peel of this top fruit using green that I've mixed with yellow. I'm going to mix green, white, and yellow together and use that to paint in the segments of the fruit. Then, I'll use white with a little bit of green added to paint the pith part of the fruit. I used the same paint that I used on the peel to render the shadows on the segment part of the fruit, and I'll do the same with the paint from the pith to create highlights. I'm building up what I generally want the line to look like at this point. I then add a streak of yellow to the top of the line to establish the light source. After blending that in, I flip my brush over so the end of the handle is now pointed down. I dip this in the paint and then onto the canvas to create consistently sized dots. While I let the lime dry, I'm going to move on to working on the lemon. Again, I'm just establishing how I generally want it to look and giving it a similar treatment to the lime. Now that I'm done with the lemon, as it dries, I'm going to return to the lime to build up the texture, light, and shadows using a combination of washes and blending. For the time being, I'm satisfied with the lime, and I'm going to go back to working on the lemon. I'm painting the segments and their drips an orangish yellow. Then I'm going to do washes of white onto the pith. Then I'm going to do washes of white onto the segment. I'm going to start establishing the background. Initially, I used this very watered down pink, following the outline on the designs, but I wasn't too crazy about that, so I switched to a more opaque, muted purple-pink color. I use this to go in and around the fruits so that once it dries, I can cover it with a light colored paint to create an outline effect. Monthly Masterpiece is a subscription painting art kit service which is available exclusively on communityartroom.com. When you sign up, you will receive a monthly delivery of a new painting project in the theme of your choosing, along with all the materials required to create it. Monthly Masterpiece offers 3 themes to choose from, with each one providing new and unique designs that can be effortlessly customized, because each month you will receive a canvas that has had a design conveniently applied to it. If you're a beginner or looking to refresh your painting supplies, be sure to add on a painting supply kit, as it includes everything you need to start painting with Monthly Masterpiece. Unlike other painting activity kits that you could purchase online, Monthly Masterpiece's packaging, painting supply kit, and subscription materials exclusively feature items that can be recycled, reused, or repurposed, which is something we've done to help you save space, money, and preserve the environment. So sign up for a Monthly Masterpiece subscription today. As that dries, I'm going to work on making the lemon look more vibrant by painting on the surface after it has dried and using paint that hasn't been watered down or has had any white added to it. I'm going to start using white straight from the to make highlights and paint in the pith. Lime piths are slightly tinted, and so are lemons. However, the intensity of the yellow is so nuanced, the yellow peel and the yellow segment surrounding the pith do most of the work and make it appear tinted. Now I'm going to use the paint from the lime to create shadows on the lemon. I've gone back to the background and I'm really covering it up now. I'm using my brush and my finger to seamlessly blend the transition between the two colors. I'm going to dry brush using red over the background. Using the handle like I did before, I'm going to add small green freckles and dots to the lemon. Now that it's dry, I'm going to finally render it in. I'm using white straight from the tube to reintroduce the lines from the original design. Now I'm just going to add my finishing touches with the background and the highlights. Before we finish, I just want to remind you to sign up for a monthly masterpiece subscription painting kit at communityartroom.com, and be sure to add a painting supply kit to your purchase so you can start your subscription outright. Once you do, and you've completed your first project, be sure to share it on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and tag Community Art Room for a chance to have your work shown in our masterpiece showcase and shared from one of our social media accounts. And that's all. Here's the finished painting. Thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other videos and to visit us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and communityartroom.com.